out of politeness, and when people ask you to like something or like what they do, and out of sheer compassion, you said yes. And now you sit back and you have to think, do you know, compassion was the very, very matter of love. Compassion just inside there and just did its own thing. Temporary solution. To love, it's an abundance, it's a wealth, it's infinity. It's not a condition or unconditional. It's the beginning, it's the continuity, the never ending. So when you awake and you say, I'm full of compassion, okay, I'll see you in earth and a half, not in new earth. There's no budget there. You cannot come with unconditional love. You cannot say, but I had a charity. Who was charity? Love, child. Love. Feel that love inside of you. Feel all those inside of you, your counselors, your masters, your sun and your moon. Feel yourself afloat. Feel yourself with truth, love. Love, child, love. It's time. The trumpets are blown. The horns. Are you coming?